Hey crafty friends, welcome back to Tiffany's Epiphany, where creativity comes to life with sublimation, Cricut, custom designs, and all things DIY. If you're into crafty tutorials, custom clothing hacks, and budget-friendly tricks, you're in the right place. If you're into crafting tutorials, custom clothing hacks, and budget-friendly tricks, you're in the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you're not going to want to miss what's coming next. Today I'm showing you a super fun and beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use a DTF sublimation hack to put a design on white cotton shirts. Yes, cotton. Using just your sublimation printer, DTF powder, and transfer film. I just opened this DTF starter bundle and I had to share. It comes with DTF powder, heat tape, and DTF transfer film. But y'all know I like to keep things clean and simple in my craft room, so I grabbed this super cute pink container from Michael's and watch this hack. Instead of scooping powder out of the bag and making a mess all over your table, I just pour DTF powder right into this container. Easy to use, no mess, and totally aesthetic. I'll show you how I use it in just a bit. Now it's time to print out the designs. I'm doing 3 Bluey characters for my kids. These are going to be so stinking cute. I load the DTF transfer film right into my sublimation printer. Yes, sublimation ink on DTF paper, and print away. Quick reminder, this hack only works on white cotton fabric. Sublimation ink doesn't print white, and you need a real DTF printer if you want to print on dark or colored fabrics. They can be pricey and high maintenance, so do your research if you're thinking of investing. Now for the fun part. Remember that powder container hack I talked about? Here it is in action. I coat each design with the DTF powder using the container. It keeps things clean, quick, and even. Once powdered, I pop the design under the heat press at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 5 minutes. But don't press it down, you just want to melt the powder, not squish it. Repeat this step for all the designs. Once they're all set, I line up each design on the white cotton shirts and tape them down with heat-resistant tape. Gotta keep that design in place. Press each shirt at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. And here's a key step. This is a cold peel process. This means let the shirt cool completely before peeling off the film, or you'll lift the design up and ruin your hard work. I let all 3 shirts cool down, then I peel back the transfer paper and just look at these. The Bluey designs came out vibrant, smooth, and totally adorable. Here's the final reveal. All 3 shirts ready for my kiddos, and they're going to love them. If you try this DTF sublimation hack, let me know how it works for you in the comments. And if you've got questions, drop them down below. Have you ever tried DTF powder with sublimation? Plan to? Let's chat in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if it helped you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Tiffany's Epiphany for more crafting hacks, Cricut projects, sublimation tutorials, and fun DIYs for the whole family. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy crafting.